Hey guys, it's Adam, and today I am out in Orange County, California to announce a very exciting new partnership between Hennessey Performance and Ken Grody Ford. You can find the entire Ford lineup here on the ground, built, ready to go. With financing available, there is no reason you couldn't drive home in one today. First up, we've got the Venom 800 F-150. This is a supercharged 5-liter V8 under the hood, cranking out over 800 horsepower. We have lifted and lowered versions, so whether you're chasing that off-road presence or you want that street performance look, we've got you covered. Now, if a lifted truck isn't for you, but you still want that 800 horsepower under the hood, here is the Venom 800 race truck. Drop down, new suspension, big brakes, big wheels, big power. It's got everything you need. Now, if you're a Raptor guy, but you want something with more power, you want something a little more unique, the Velociraptor 600 has you covered. It's got more power under the hood, it's got more ground clearance, it's got bumpers, lights, wheels, tires, big brakes. It's all you need wrapped up in one package. Now, if that's not enough for you and you just want the biggest, baddest, nastiest truck on the road, Velociraptor 1000 is for you. It's got 1,000 horsepower under the hood. What more do you want me to say? With Hennessey's commitment to power and performance, along with Ken Grody's reputation for legendary service, it is a match made in heaven. So if you're looking for a performance vehicle that's backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, look no further than Ken Grody Ford.
Uh-oh, little American horsepower, baby.